Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Microsoft Project Online with Power BI reports, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up Microsoft Project Online with Power BI reports, start by ensuring you have the necessary licenses for both tools. Log into your Microsoft Project Online account using your credentials. Navigate to the Project web app homepage. Create a new project by selecting New Project in the upper left corner. Define your project details, including the project name, start date, and other relevant information. Once your project is created, set up your project tasks by clicking on Tasks in the menu. Enter all task details, such as duration, start and finish dates, and dependencies. After your tasks are defined, assign resources to each task to ensure accurate tracking. Next, save your project and publish it by clicking on the Publish button in the toolbar. Now, open Power BI and sign in with the same Microsoft account used for Project Online. In Power BI, click on Get Data in the Home ribbon. Select Online Services and then choose Project Online from the options. Enter the URL for your Project Online instance and click OK. You will then be prompted to sign in, use your Microsoft credentials again. Once connected, Power BI will show available datasets from your Project Online. Select the relevant datasets, such as projects or tasks, and then click Load. After loading the data, begin creating visualizations by dragging and dropping fields onto the report canvas. Customize your visualizations by choosing different chart types and adjusting formatting options. To make your reports more interactive, add slicers and filters based on project dimensions. Once your report is visually appealing, save your Power BI report. You can publish your report to the Power BI service by selecting the Publish option from the File menu. In the Power BI service, you can share your report with stakeholders by using the Share feature. Return to Microsoft Project Online to ensure task data is updated in real time. To keep your Power BI reports current, schedule a refresh for your datasets in the Power BI service. This ensures that your reports reflect the latest data from Project Online automatically. Finally, review your Power BI dashboard regularly to monitor project progress and make informed decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.